Wade from behind takes it away. Chalmers. Oh, on for that board. And how about James? Oh, long-range missile.
Man, they on Instagram capping, man, talking about the food. Man, that's solid cooking where I'm coming from, man. You got the chicken, you know, you got the salad, you got the green bean. Come on, man. All that capping, man. Come on, man. Where I'm from, this good cooking right here. I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but this good cooking where I came from, you know, where I grew up at, this good cooking.
Okay. New York strip steak. Ooh. Braised beef short ribs. Damn. What else we got? Shrimp and grits. Oh, fuck with me. I fuck with that cheesecake though. They got that creme brulee.
One more sneak peek. Et voici ma chambre.
One in the books, baby. Yes, sir.
excited to get back started, just to see what our team's all about and trying to achieve a championship. And, just like any other player, it is a tough decision to go out there. At the end of the day, we know most of us, I would say, are going to go out there and play. I'm happy that I'm back to full health as I am now. We should be able to make the game easier for one another as we play. We are a dynamic team, so when we play fast and move the ball, a lot of things happen. That's why it's all about team chemistry. We have to be on point, and we got to play our best basketball from now on. From the day we get there, we have to be practicing, have a true understanding. I've been working out for a while. I'm in pretty good shape. We just had an off season, and now we're jumping into a season where it's very short amount of games, and then here comes the playoffs where it gets real. I just look forward to really getting back out there.
Come on. Perfect. Shoulder blades down. Good. Keep it up. Good. Good. Drive. Good. Drive. Perfect. Good. Explode and catch. Explode and catch. There you go. Accelerate and catch. Focus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Work. Rotate. Perfect. No mistakes. Nice. Nice control. Nice. Great. Good. Keep ripping. Up. Shift the water. Catch. Up. There you go. I need the pause. Of course you can come right back.